Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this fall leaf picture. This is a crayon resist. We're going to use black crayon and leaf rubbing plates to make the leaves, and then we're going to use tempera paint to add the color. You will need a cup of water, a paper towel, and a variety of brushes. Tempera paint cake palettes. I prefer these to watercolor paint sets because these last a lot longer. They're just like liquid tempera paint that you would get in a bottle. All you have to do is add water to it with your brush. And here's what the cake looks like. A black crayon with the paper peeled off. Leaf rubbing plates. Each one of these has a different leaf pressed into it. If you don't have leaf rubbing plates, you can use real leaves. Just check with an adult and make sure that they are safe and non-poisonous. Let's get started. First, I'm going to take my leaf rubbing plates and my black crayon, and I'm going to make some leaves on my paper. To do this, I'm going to have the raised side facing up. That makes a better leaf. So you put that underneath the paper, take your black crayon and put it on its side, and gently rub on top of the page. And the leaf will magically appear. So you're going to do that over and over again. You can use the same leaf multiple times. Use different leaves. You can make some of them going off the page like this. The leaves can overlap. Now it's time to add color with paint. I'm going to use the tempera paint cakes and my water and my brush. I'm going to use fall colors on the leaves, mainly orange, yellow, and red. And then I'm also going to color the background so it looks like the ground. You'll notice that the crayon drawing is still showing up. That's because the wax in the crayon repels the water in the paint, and that's called crayon resist. You can mix colors together like this, orange and yellow. See how they blend together. I'm finished with my painting and I'm happy with the results. I kept the painting of the leaves loose, which means that I didn't really stay inside the lines on all of them, and that's okay. I also mixed colors on the leaves. For example, I used yellow, orange, and red here, and on this one I used green and yellow. It's fun to see how the colors mix together. On the background I used blue, green, and black. The blue represents maybe a puddle that the leaves have fallen into. The green represents grass, and the black represents dirt. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and making a leaf painting with me today. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.